Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can achieve a blur effect in your video clip. So now I have imported my video. As you can see, I brought it into the timeline. What I want to achieve is to blur the face of this lady sitting here. What you can do is you go to content library and search for blurred effect. Just type blur there and hit enter. You can scroll down to, there are so many things you can choose from here, but what you can do is to scroll down to where it says Giphy and click on it. You will find all these options here. Let us go on and choose, let's choose this. Click on it to bring it into the timeline. It's loading. Now it has loaded. So what we will do is this. Let me just bring it there. So depending on the size of what you want to blur, as I just want to blur the face of this lady, let me just drag it there. And let's play our video and see what happens. Okay, it's not well blurred. Let me move it a bit more. Let me play it again. Let me, as I want to cover the entire the face throughout the entire video clip, let me duplicate. Let's go back and click on it again. So when it gets to a certain place, as you can see here, we can see the face. So what you can do is to position your cursor. We can cut this video, this blurred effect, highlight it, make sure that only this small one is highlighted. So what I can do is to move it a bit more. Now let's see what happens. It's still blurred. It's always blurred. You see? So let us go on and duplicate this. Just right click on it, duplicate, and let's start from the beginning again. It's still blurred. We don't want to see the face of this lady. It's still blurred. When it gets to a certain place, it wasn't blurred anymore. Let's see where it was. So when we got here, you understand how it was. Just cut it off and position it again. Let's cut it more and reposition this and click on it. As you can see, the face is always blurred now. What I can do in order to cover the entire video is to click on this remaining, the last part, and duplicate it, and then let us now play it from beginning to end. You see? So you can just cut it off and reposition the blur effect whichever way you want. So you can use this option to achieve whatever you want to achieve. If you do not like it, you can just go back there and pick a different one. So that's how you can blur someone's or blur whatever it is that you want to blur in a video clip. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like my video. Thank you.